Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about an important topic in graph theory which is called the graph isomorphism. Graph isomorphism. So in simple sense, what is isomorphism? In simple sense, we can say that isomorphism is a similarity in the structure of graphs. If two graphs are similar in their structure, then simply we can say that graphs are isomorphic. A graph can exist in different forms, but some forms will have the same structure. Then that types of graph will be called as isomorphic graphs, and that type of phenomenon is called graph isomorphism. Okay, let us read the definition of the isomorphism. The graphs G1 and G2. G1 is a graph with a vertex at V1 and edges at E1, and G2 is a graph with vertex at V2 and edges at E2. They are called isomorphic if there exists one and on2 function from V1 to V2. That is, there should exist a bijection with the property that A and B are adjacent in G1 if and only if f of A and f of B are adjacent in G2 for every A comma B belongs to V1. That means if we consider two graphs G1 and G2 with the vertex at V1 E1 and vertex at V2 E2, then that graphs are called isomorphic if there exists a relationship which is 1 and on2 from the vertex at V1 to vertex at V2 with the property if A and B are adjacent in G1, then there should exist a corresponding edges in G2 also, such that f of A and f of B are adjacent in G2. This is the definition of graph isomorphism. That is, in simple sense, we can say that if two vertices are adjacent in G1, then there should be a corresponding adjacent vertices in G2. And we can say that two graphs are isomorphic if they have the same structure. Okay. Now let us consider the two graphs, which is G1 and this is G2. And here we can see that in G1 there are 4 number of vertices and 5 number of edges. And in here in G2 also there are 4 number of vertices and 5 number of edges. And we can check whether these two graphs have the same structure. For the checking of the structure, we have to consider the number of vertex, the number of vertices, the number of edges, then the degree of each vertex. So, for checking the isomorphism, which are the conditions? Both the graphs should have same number of vertices, same number of edges, and same degree sequence. So, let us check the given graphs for isomorphism. Okay. So, these are the two graphs. First, we are going to check about the vertices of the graph. G1, G2. Okay, here the number of vertices in G1 is 4 and number of vertices in G2 is also 4. So the first condition satisfied, the same number of vertices. Then what about the edges of this graph? Graph G1 contains 5 number of edges and graph G2 also contains 5 number of edges. Okay, so the second condition also satisfied. Now we check for the degree sequences of the graph. For G1, we know that degree of V1 is how many edges are incident with the vertex V1 in G1? 2. So the degree is 2. And degree of V2 is 3. Degree of V3 is 2. And degree of V4 is 3. Understood? Then for G2, degree of V1. In G2, degree of V1 is 3. and degree of V2 is 2, degree of V3, what is the degree of V3? 1, 2, 3, and degree of V4 has 2 edges incident with, so degree of V4 is 2. So here we can see that here there are 2 number of vertices which have degree 2 and 2 number of vertices with degree 3. Here also 2 number of vertices with the degree 2 and 2 number of vertices with the degree 3. So we can say that these two graphs G1 and G2 have same degree sequence. Here the third condition also satisfied. Hence we can say that these two graphs G1 and G2 are isomorphic. Understood? Thus we can check any graphs for isomorphism. I think all of you understood well. Thank you.